Are you gonna fly it, or just float it?
Fly it. I wanted to make sure it floats first.
And that video that we took of that dead bird, I played it just about everybody I know.
Oh,
Perfect. I know. Awesome. Okay, that's an only go left. What? Well, the wind is pushing it. Oh. And I forgot the rudder. That's the thing I forgot.
Oh. Make it do a big circle.
Pretend it's a race track.
Yeah.
Well, at least the wind moves it quickly.
Really lightweight.
Yeah, just get it out there, man. Use the flying rudder.
That's great.
There you go.
Yeah, I've got full right rudder. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Can it take off from there?
Yeah.
Go, hurry, fly!
Trying to stay with you, right?
Oh,
Hey,
almost!
it took off!
It's like the spruce goose, it'll only go.
Yeah, that was the flight. Okay, we're done.
Yep.
Over the right.
Oh no!
Well, the wind will bring it over here in a second. Unless it gets stuck on the rocks.
Well, that's okay. If it's on shore, I don't
Hey,
care.
you can just go straight.
Turn. Turn.
I'm so scared to do it. Scared to do the rock.
Little 360.
Are you finding it this way?
No, it'll fly if I want it to.
Go do it then.
Yeah, do it, dude. Okay, hold on. Let me go the other way. Away from that.
There you go.
Turn. Turn the direction. It'd be so much better if I had the rudder.
Oh, that's what you were saying. You forgot the rudder.
Oh!
There goes the
Oh, something popped off of it.
Oh, there
pontoon.
goes my USC.
That's it.
Hey, Tree, get your boat ready to get my plane.
Rescue. See, we should just, every time we come here, we should just bring that raft.
Yep.
Hey, check this out. Hatch tape.